Check list of words in another string. I can do such thing in Python. This will check if some word exists in the list. But can I do reverse thing? I have to check whether some words from array are in the string. I can do this using cycle, but this way has more lines of code.
Here are a couple of alternative ways of doing it that may be faster or more suitable than Kenny's answer, depending on the context.
1. Use a regular expression.
2. You could use sets if you want to match whole words. For example, you do not want to find the word the in the phrase "then theorems are theoretical."
Of course, you can also do whole word matches with regex using the \v token.
The performance of these and Kenny's solution are going to depend on several factors, such as how long the word list and phrase string are, and how often they change.
If performance is not an issue, then go for the simplest, which is probably Kenny's.
If your list of words is of substantial length, and you need to do this test many times, it may be worth converting the list to a set and using set intersection to test, with the added benefit that you will get the actual words that are in both lists.
Easiest and simplest method of solving this problem is using re.